Blizzard again. Today's Wednesday, February 2nd. This is our street. They haven't even really, they plowed it once. That's been about it. Yeah, let's walk on down here. There's your truck, sweetie. You can see all the snow. Look at Mel's Porsche. Marge. They're a little buried. No sidewalks. There's Hermes. All these neighbors' houses just buried. Elmer's, Kirk's. You guys having fun?
Oh, always.
Unbelievable.
Oh, I know. Jeez.
My sister's down in Indiana. They're getting the same thing.
Oh, yeah, man. It's kind of fun, though.
It is.
You know, all the neighbors come out.
That's right. There's John. Snow blowing away. And Norma. Anna and Bart's house. Wind is a little cold. There's Jim's house. He doesn't want to come out his front door. He's not getting very far. Wow. Whoa, look at all that snow. Wow. Neighbors out playing. Look at the street. Totally shut up here. There's no way to get through. There's Bucks, Dunkers. Let's watch this guy right here. There you go. You idiot. Let's go see what the Bucks are up to.